Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to subtract numbers in Notion in just a few simple steps. Click the plus button at the right of the column headers to add a new property. A property menu appears. Scroll down and select Formula from the list. The Formula property is added to your table. Click the Formula header to open its settings. A property menu appears. Type Remaining into the name field to label your new column. Click the Open button below the name field to launch the Formula editor. The Edit Formula dialog appears with a properties list on the left and a formula input area in the middle. Click Budget 1 in the properties list to add it to your formula. Budget 1 appears in the formula editor. Now click the minus sign in the built-ins list below the formula area. The minus operator is added. Click Expense in the properties list to complete your subtraction formula. Expense is added to the formula, so it now reads Budget 1 minus Expense. Click the X button at the top right of the formula editor to close it. The editor closes, and your remaining column now displays the calculated result, in this case 300, showing the subtraction working across your table. If your formula returns an error, double-check that both properties you're subtracting are set to the number type. Formulas won't work with text-formatted columns. You can edit the formula anytime by clicking the column header and selecting Open again. The calculation updates automatically whenever you change values in either the Budget 1 or Expense columns, so your remaining balance stays current without any manual work. And that's how to subtract numbers in Notion using a formula property. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.